Welcome. My name is Pizada Rashid. In this video, I'm going to show you how to work with while loop in C#. Please open up this URL. Whatever code examples I use in this video are written step by step here. All the code examples have a link to quickly test it and see the results in an online editor without writing a single word. I will also leave all the links at the end and in the description of this video. Let's get started. While loop executes a block of code repeatedly till the condition is true, else it breaks. This type of loop is useful when you don't need to know the number of loop iterations before the loop begins, and a counter variable is not needed. This is the basic structure of a loop. Please pay attention here. While loop starts with the while keyword, followed by a single expression within parentheses. When the while loop begins, this bool expression is evaluated. If the expression is true, the code within the block executes. When the block of code reaches the closed brace, control returns to the top, and the whole process starts over again. Remember, condition is checked before each new iteration of the loop, which must be true in order for the next iteration to be performed. Iterations end when the condition is false. If the loop's condition is constantly true, then the loop never ends. That's why somewhere in the body of the loop, you need to set a Boolean flag to false in order to avoid an infinite loop. If the condition is false when the loop begins for the first time, the code within the braces never executes. I am using this online editor for the demo. Let me write a while loop and then I explain. Here curly brackets for the loop are optional because there is only one statement to execute. I have declared and initialized a counter variable with the int type and assigned an initial value of 0 to it. First of all, this Boolean expression is evaluated, and if it's true, then the code within the body is executed. This Boolean condition, counter less than 4, will repeatedly execute until the counter is less than 4. This expression for updating the counter adds 1 at the end of each repetition, increasing the counter variable by 1. This loop doesn't do anything except updating the counter variable. Let's add another statement to output the value of a counter variable. If there is more than one statement, then you need to add curly brackets, as you can see here. This loop writes out all the integers from 1 to 4. Click Run. Here is the output. What if I want to exit the loop when a certain condition meets? Then you need break keyword, also called jump statement. Actually, break keyword causes the program to exit the loop prematurely. Termination with the break statement is only possible within the loop body during an iteration. Let me show you how. When the counter variable reaches 3, this condition evaluates to true because 3 is equal to 3. Then the break keyword causes the loop to exit and resume execution immediately after the loop from here, skipping this statement. Click Run. Skip the value 3 and 4. Another commonly used jump statement is the continue keyword. When you use continue, the rest of the current iteration after continue is skipped and immediately initiates the execution of the next iteration. Actually, the loop starts over again. Let's change this keyword with the continue keyword. Now click run. All the numbers will be printed out except 1. Skip 3 because of the continue statement. When the loop hits this condition, it jumps back up and continues with the next cycle through the loop.